In this demo, we will start by logging into the FortiClient EMS and look for high severity alerts in the system. In this dashboard, we can see the various levels of alerts and other related information about them. There are 25 high alerts in the system. Let's click on it and dive in. 3 systems in the environment have high alert incidents on them. Let's pick one, say Patsy Parisi for this example. We can open the details and go to the vulnerability events to see all the vulnerabilities in the system, arranged by highest severity first. For each of the vulnerabilities, there is a link present for information on FortiGuard, Fortinet's threat research arm. On FortiGuard, you can find more information about the vulnerabilities and threats here, including the vendor advisory and the CVE ID. Let's head back to the FortiClient EMS. We can now choose to patch these vulnerabilities remotely from here. Once done, we can go over to the endpoint to observe the actions taken. From the endpoint's FortiClient console, we can look at the vulnerability scan section to look at the status. Soon, the vulnerability scan will automatically be initiated from the EMS and the scanning and patching process will start. Let's fast forward through this process. The patching process happens automatically and silently in the background. The client is now free of high-risk alerts.